Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne Just in French. Hello and welcome back to my channel Just in French. First, thank you so much for reaching the 10 likes on my first video, where we covered the most basic greetings. In today's lesson, we are going a little further, with more than 40 new ones. This time you will learn more natural and authentic French expressions people actually use every day. As last time, I will show you some more advanced greetings and polite expressions. Then you will hear 3 dialogues to see how they are used in context. And finally, a quick quiz to test what you learned. Prêt? C'est parti! Rebonjour. Rebonjour. You already know bonjour, right? Well, when you see someone again in the same day, you can say rebonjour, hello again. If you are in a more casual context, with friends and even more online, you might have come across the short form re. Again, same meaning, it's hello again. Online, however, I would say it's more used as hello, I'm back, or welcome back, like this. Coucou. Coucou. Coucou is a super cute and friendly way to say hi. It's informal, so use it between friends and family. Hello, hola, yo, hey, wesh. Hello, hola, yo, hey are borrowed from English and Spanish with a heavy French accent and often used by the younger generation. Wesh has more meanings and uses, and is definitely more slangy and comes from Algerian Arabic. Enchanté. Enchanté literally means delighted or charmed, and is used when you are meeting someone for the first time. It's a polite and short form of saying nice to meet you. Enchanté. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. I think you already know this one, right? As I'm using it in all my videos. But for those who don't, it means welcome. Bienvenue. Ça fait longtemps. Ça fait longtemps. Ça fait longtemps is a neutral term to say long time no see, and it means it's been a while. If you want to sound more casual, you can use the more slangy expression ça fait un bail. Ça fait un bail. Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Literally, what's new? The French version of what's up. Casual and friendly, perfect for catching up with friends. Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien means are you well? It's often used as a follow-up after coucou or salut. You can also use it with vous to sound more formal. Vous allez bien? Vous allez bien? Très bien. Très bien. Très bien. Simply very well. Used to answer ça va. Comment ça va? Très bien. Another potential answer for this question could be ça peut aller. Ça peut aller. Ça peut aller is literally it can go, but it means I'm okay or could be better. Ça peut aller. Comme d'habitude. Comme d'habitude. Comme d'habitude, meaning as usual. It's a super common answer when things are just normal. In a friendly context, you might use its short form, comme d'hab. Comme d'hab. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît both mean please. Use s'il te plaît with friends and s'il vous plaît in formal situations. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Simple and universal. You will use it every day. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Use it to sound more polite or to really show gratitude. De rien. De rien. De rien, literally of nothing, but it means you're welcome. It's the most common and neutral reply to a merci. De rien. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Literally with pleasure. It's another way of saying you're welcome, but it sounds warmer and more polite, especially in service and professional contexts. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. More formal than de rien, and is used to sound extra polite. For example, merci pour votre aide. Je vous en prie. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Use the more polite form, excusez-moi, when you are trying to get someone's attention, like in the street, calling for a waiter, or to apologize for a small inconvenience. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. I am sorry, or just sorry. The full sentence is used for more serious apologies, whereas the simple désolé is a bit lighter. Pardon. Pardon. Pardon can also mean sorry, excuse me, or even what when you didn't hear something. It's very versatile and polite in most contexts. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. Bonne chance is good luck. Simple and classic. Bon courage. Bon courage. Bon courage can also mean good luck, but more like hang in there or you've got this. It's often said when someone is about to face a challenge. Exams, hard work, a busy day, etc. It's very common in France and it shows empathy. You can say it to your coworkers, students, friends or family before a big day. Bon appétit. Bon appétit means enjoy your meal. Used before eating. And yes, it's used in restaurants and at home. Even waiters can wish you a bon appétit when serving you your dish. Note that in front of a vowel, bon sounds like its feminine version, bonne, but it's a masculine word here. Félicitations. Félicitations. Félicitations means congratulations, used for birthdays, weddings, new jobs, or any achievement. Bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement is used when someone is sick or recovering from something. It's the sentence you use when you wish them to get well soon. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Have a good trip. It's warm and positive, the kind of thing you say to a friend leaving for the holidays. You might also hear the sentence Fais bon voyage. Fais bon voyage. Bonne année. Bonne année. Happy New Year, said in early January and even a few weeks after. Bonne année, joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Both mean happy birthday. Joyeux anniversaire is the classic one, like in the song. Bon anniversaire is a bit more simple, but very common in everyday life. Again, pay attention to the bon. That sounds like bon before anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. Have a nice weekend. Use it on Fridays. It's super common to wish a nice weekend. Bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. Have a nice vacation. It's perfect when someone's leaving for a trip. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Have a good day. Have a good evening. They are polite and commonly used when leaving. However, bonne nuit, good night, is strictly used when you are going to sleep or when someone is, not when you are leaving a place, even late at night. If you are leaving but not going to sleep, then use bonne soirée instead. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means see you later, in the same day. À tout is the shorter, more casual version. À tout. À tout. À tout de suite. À tout de suite. À tout de suite means see you in a moment. It's used when you are about to see the person again really soon, like in a few minutes. À tout de suite. À plus tard. À plus tard. It means see you later. À plus is the short, informal way of saying it. À plus. À plus. It's very common in speech or text. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. À la prochaine means see you next time. Neutral, friendly, and often used when you don't really know when you will see the person again. Okay, all of this can be a bit confusing, so let's do a quick recap. À tout de suite. À tout de suite. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À toutes. À toutes. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus. À plus. À bientôt. À bientôt. À la prochaine. À la prochaine. Now let's continue. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. A classic. À lundi. À lundi. À lundi means see you on Monday. Perfect for work or school context. By the way, keep your eyes peeled for my video, days, month, dates in French. How to talk about time, where you will learn everything about the dates. As for the structure of this goodbye, it's a simple à followed by the day of the week in question. For example, bon weekend, à lundi. Ciao. Ciao. Borrowed from Italian, it's a casual, friendly, and common way of saying bye in spoken French. And of course, we can also use the English bye as well. Bisous. Bisous. Bisous means kisses. It's used at the end of the text, a call, or when saying goodbye to close friends or family. It's really warm and casual. And you can even say gros bisous for extra affection. Now it's time for the dialogues. Listen to these 3 dialogues twice. First at normal speed, and then slower and more articulated so you can catch up on pronunciation. Dialogue 1. 2 students at school before an important test. Salut Lucas, bon courage pour l'examen.
Merci Marie, j'espère que ça va bien se passer.
Tu vas y arriver. Et bonne chance.
Merci beaucoup. On se retrouve après pour le déjeuner?
Oui, à tout à l'heure. Now, let's listen again, this time more slowly and clearly. Salut Lucas. Bon courage pour l'examen.
Merci Marie, j'espère que ça va bien se passer.
Tu vas y arriver. Et bonne chance.
Merci beaucoup. On se retrouve après pour le déjeuner.
Oui, à tout à l'heure. Dialogue 2. 2 friends bump into each other in a park. Et Julien, ça fait longtemps?
Oui, ça fait un bail, comment tu vas?
Très bien, merci. Et toi?
Pas mal, content de te voir.
Moi aussi. Tu veux prendre un café?
Avec plaisir.
Now let's listen again with clearer pronunciation. Hey Julien, ça fait longtemps.
Oui, ça fait un bail. Comment tu vas?
Très bien, merci. Et toi?
Pas mal, content de te voir.
Moi aussi. Tu veux prendre un café?
Avec plaisir.
Dialogue 3. Tourist asking for direction on the street.
Excusez-moi, bonjour. Je cherche l'entrée du musée.
Bien sûr. Allez tout droit, puis tournez à gauche.
Merci beaucoup, au revoir.
Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Let's listen again. This time more slowly.
Excusez-moi. Bonjour. Je cherche l'entrée du musée.
Bien sûr. Allez tout droit, puis tournez à gauche.
Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Quiz time. Question 1. You are having dinner at a friend's home. What do you say before starting to eat? A. Bon appétit. B. Bonne journée. C. À bientôt. D. Ça va bien. Correct answer. Bon appétit. Question 2. You just finished dinner and are going to bed. What do you say? A. Bon appétit. B. Bonne nuit. C. Bonne soirée. D. Au revoir. Correct answer. Bonne nuit. Question 3. Your friend just won a competition. What do you say? A. Bon courage. B. Merci beaucoup. C. Félicitations. D. Bonne chance. Correct answer. Félicitations. And that's it for today's lesson. You now know how to use more natural greetings, like rebonjour, enchanté, bon appétit, à tout à l'heure. All expressions you might hear anytime in France. And what did you think of the quiz? Was it too difficult? Drop your score in the comments. If this video helped you, please leave it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comment section if you think I missed some important greetings or expressions. Thank you so much for watching. À bientôt!